What's up, guys? It is a balmy 15 degrees out, and I mean the sun's out, so it's not full. But I got a surprise for you. Check this out. Oh hell yeah! I got a truck camper, guys. Let's check this thing out. Oh man, this is so cool. So. We'll get in there in a second. Oh man. So this is the truck camper. It's a little Skamper 92 060. And I got the roof racks up there, and there's a solar panel. So everything's wired coming through, as you can see. Here's the here's a fresh water hookup, and the this is for shore power, I think. Yeah, that's cool. Windows. Let's get in here and gonna make a little door for here. It's a propane tank, so I could do my cooking on the road. I got a little step stool. Ow. Those are turnbuckles. I gotta put those on somehow. And I got a little floor mat. I'm gonna cut that to fit. Alright, so let me let's pop this baby up. Alright, we're good. As you can see, I'm standing up completely. It's about 6 feet, I guess. I'm about 5'10". So check it out. So we got a little cooktop, cabinet, I just got this. I haven't done a damn thing to it except vacuum it. This pops up. That's the cooler. That runs off the electric. Let me plug in the that's the bed. Got lots of storage under here. That's so cool. Storage everywhere. First aid kit, fire. There's storage under here. I think. Yeah. Oh, that's the water tank. Got another seat. Got a little table. Let's see. Can I do this one-handed in the freezing cold? Yes, I can. So that's pretty cool. So it turns so you can sit here like a gentleman. It's really cool. I'm psyched, can you tell? I mean, canvas looks really good. And then got the windows. And these work when it's connected to shore power. Let me hold on, let me connect the battery in and I'll show you the solar. Alright. Battery's hooked up, we got power. Alright, and we got lights. It's pretty sweet. And we got power for our fridge. So sweet. I don't know what the other buttons do. I think they're just dead. But this is pretty cool. We got USB. 12 volt. And it's a pretty sweet setup. We got everything running in there. That's the controller. It's basically ready to go. I just got to get some stuff. Like, I don't know. You tell me. Like, what are the essentials for camping? I'm a noob. This is all new to me. So what are the essentials, guys? I mean, tell me what I need. I already picked up a heater and a porta potty. I mean, what else am I gonna need? I'm just so psyched just to have it, but let me know in the comments. Oh man, let's hop up the bed. As you can see, this thing fits good 2 people comfortably. Oh man, can you tell I'm having fun? So yeah, I mean, now I have to hit the road, I guess. Document 5 Acre Farm hits the road. Man, let's lower this thing now. Nice. That was sketchy. Hi guys, so tell me what you think. Let me know what I'm gonna need for when I hit the road, and any upgrades maybe, or simple stuff. But I'm really psyched. So any of you gotta slide in, or have you gone camping? Because I'm a newbie basically. I think I camped once in my life. So let me know in the comments what I'm gonna need. And then, oh, well, hello. You gonna come camping with us, Meg? Good girl. Alright, so that's it, guys. Let me know in the comments what you think I'm gonna need. And I can't wait to hit the road. Thanks for watching, guys.